I got to put some of my stuff away, but here's another tip for you. It's all about tips. When you get ready to paint your doors and stuff, if you're going to do them with the paintbrush and stuff, I would highly recommend taking these strike plates off. Okay, then you can reinstall those later. It's hard to get your masking tape exactly around there and stuff and cut off, and then on the back side it's hard to paint in there and stuff, and you get dribbles off of here and that sort of stuff. So this whole house is going to be painted and it's going to be started tomorrow. So another thing I have to do before I leave is I got to take all these strike plates off. I just installed this one and I made some adjustments to some other ones today, but that's okay. And here's my tip. Here's my second tip. When you take these off, you're not going to just throw these all in a box without numbering them. So and itemizing exactly where they go into each room. I have some blue tape, and so I'm going to tape, when I take this off, I'm going to put a little piece of tape on there and write down, you know, what each room is, and then I'll be able to store these things in a closet or in a cabinet or something like that, because I went around already and I've already adjusted all these. This strike plate is adjusted different than that strike plate is adjusted different than, you know, other strike plates. You throw them all in a box, you put them all back up, you're going to find out there's going to be doors that chatter, there's going to be doors that don't close or that don't lock and latch all the way because you've got the wrong strike plate in there. Okay, well, there's another tip from Joe.